Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3 Otetiana Cove on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is an amazing Canandaigua Lake dream townhome with a private beach.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy entertaining with this phenomenal open floor plan, featuring a beautiful kitchen with wood cabinetry, recessed lighting, and a breakfast bar. Open to the spacious living area with great natural light and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the charming dining area with a chair rail and deck access, all with scenic lake views. The first floor also features a convenient powder room and laundry, while the upstairs features an open landing, leading to 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 with lake views, and 2 full bathrooms, including a relaxing owner's suite with a full bathroom and a walk-in closet. What a great place to unwind after a day on the lake. Enjoy the lake breeze and summertime fun from the expansive deck with an awning for shade and scenic lake views. What a great place to relax. Otetiana Cove is a private waterfront community on Canandaigua Lake that offers maintenance-free living, green space, over 100 feet of beach area, fire pits, and a potential boat slip. Enjoy the lake lifestyle all summer long with a private stone beach and dock for all your waterfront activities.
On the east side of Canandaigua Lake, you get spectacular sunsets. This rare location is steps away from CMAC and everything Canandaigua has to offer. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3 Otetiana Cove on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!